Yo, what up, what's up, rollers? Welcome back to another vlog. You know what the vibe is. We do an Amazon relay tonight since OTR rates are trash and ain't worth all the wear and tear on your truck for these trash rates where you barely profit in anything, okay? So I hope y'all been blessed, staying healthy, living your best lives, making that money, not letting nothing stress you out, all that good stuff. So today we're going to do a quick 50-mile trip to Covington, Georgia. Yep, y'all. So we ain't gonna waste no time, y'all. Let's get rolling. Yo, what's up? So unfortunately, I don't even have my mic plugged in, but I didn't get any footage of me loading up. It was a little hectic in there, but we're all loaded up. As y'all can see, I have a very full house, full truck. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's get ready to go to Conyers. Hopefully they're open already, so I can just go ahead and drop it off and go on about my morning. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead.
Just seeing you. What's up?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Shit, what you got?
Covered.
I mean, you got the whole truck?
Hell yeah. You got stuff too?
I got 3.
Oh shit. Alright, y'all, sorry that vlog was kind of quick, but there was another truck waiting, so I just had to, you know, do a little rush. But y'all, thank y'all so much for checking out yet another video with me, Rolling with Nick. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. So next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.